I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be making cream of chicken. Once I put the chicken in the crock pot, I went ahead and seasoned it. So I'm using adobo, garlic, and black pepper. Okay, so now I'm just mixing it in really well, and then I'm going to be adding some onions. Now I'm going to be adding a can of cream of chicken. Then I'll be adding some cream cheese and some chicken broth. Okay, now that everything's in, it's time to plug it in, put the top on, and then put the crock pot on high temperature. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Now I'm just opening it to check on it. I'm just going to mix it up a little bit and put the top back on so it could cook some more. Okay, now that it's halfway done, I'm just going to be taking each piece out and shred it. Once I'm done shredding them, I'm going to put the meat back into the pot. Now it's time to put the meat back in and let it continue to cook, and I'll be showing you my plate.